Improved design for greater durability. This ignition lock housing features a thicker, more rigid internal cam to address the original equipment flaw. Durable materials. This lock housing features aluminum and plastic construction with silicone grease for lubrication. Ready to install. A new shear bolt is included with the lock housing for a complete installation. Quality tested. This ignition lock housing has undergone vehicle try-on and material testing. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Steering column jammed and ignition switch not working? This Dorman OE Fix ignition lock housing features a thicker internal cam to address the original equipment flaw for greater durability and a new shear bolt for a complete installation. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. The mark down on installation is not a mark against this product, the column is just a pain to take apart.